Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I will to take to the opportunity today. I say thank you for joining my presentation today. And the object of my presentation today is the how to becoming a good manager. And I apologize if the voice on this video so noisy because today is raining. Okay, let's start. In every company, there is a management hierarchy that keeps the entire process running smoothly. Good manager act as the facilitator in their environment and just to think to great effect. One way to be good manager is to lead with a cool head and set the wise example. This is difficult job because on the one hand you have to manage your ego and expectation. However, there are a few tricks that will help you manage all your responsibility successful as the how to be good a manager. Okay, the following are 6 ways that can be done so the manager role can be ideal and complement. Okay, 1. Delegate wisely. The key to success in leadership and being a good manager is to learn effectively delegate both responsibility for completing tasks and authority required to complete them. Many managers feel that they need to control every little thing that employees do. This can actually be disaster. When you delegate work to your subordinates, you will be helped and of course develop their confidence. And 2. Setting goals. Every employee has to work goals. Not only making his own goals, but the manager job is also to direct employees to this goal. But make sure that your employees work according to the company organization goal. Set specific goals and regularly monitor their progress towards achieve them. And 3 is communication. Many managers do not focus on this, but talk communication is one aspect how to be a good manager in company. Communication here is just not talking of your subordination when you want to give assessment. Communication must occur both ways, exchanging information. There is a time when they go to the talking and you really listen to their aspiration. Communication cannot only make the work process smooth, your relationship with subordinates will also be good. And 4, make time for team. Taking time for your team or subordinates doesn't go just show your leadership side, but with team discussion and more time give to your team, you can get various ideas and problem solution for work. Remember the saying, put your work aside for the moment, put your smartphone and focus to the person standing in front of you. And 5, recognize achievement, give appreciation. Every employee want to do be good job, and when they do, employees want it to be known by their boss. Unfortunately, some boss or managers don't focus on that. By recognizing the achievements made by your employees and giving appreciation, it will constantly increase the team morale. Okay, and the last in 6, Motivate employees. One of the tasks of manager is regularly ask employees how to they like their jobs. Encourage them to be honest with you. Then take action based on their say. Offer bonus that employees appreciate. If health is important to them, give them time to hit the gym and exercise. If family is important, follow the time need to the drop the child of the school in the morning or pick in the afternoon. Okay, there are 6 tips to be a good manager in my presentation. Before I finish, I finally like to say thank you for joining my presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.